Good morning everyone. Welcome to TMPS online classes. This is Deepak Upadhyay, your science teacher. Class, I am here with a new lecture on the chapter of food and health. Let's start this chapter. First question arises, why do we need food? What is the requirement of the food? So the answer is, we need food for living. All the living beings need food to stay alive. But where does this food come from? The food comes from plants and animals. Plants and animals. So what is the need of taking food for being alive? That is, food is necessary for us for our growth, for development, and from disease free, from being disease free. For these reasons we need food. But only taking the food does not make us healthy. Taking care of the hygiene is also necessary. It is also the part of the being healthy. Hygienic food and proper nutrients availability is also compulsory for being healthy. So, food is necessary for all living beings. We need a wholesome and balanced food for our growth, development, and good health. At the growing stage, our body needs all the nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water in appropriate amount. All these nutrients are present in milk and milk products, meat, fresh vegetables, fruits, and grain cereals. So as in your book it is given, we need a balanced diet. There is one word came, balanced diet. Let's understand what do you mean by balanced diet. A diet which is balanced. A diet which is balanced. First thing, diet. What do you mean by diet? So diet is the food we eat. The food we eat is known as the diet. The food which we eat, that is diet. But what do you mean by balanced diet? So as I have told you earlier also, for being alive, we should grow, develop, and become healthy or disease free. For these things we should need food. And by this food, what we takes out? हम इन food से लेते क्या हैं? We take nutrients from the food. We take nutrients from the food. Okay, so we take nutrients. This nutrients helps us for growing, developing, and disease free. The three main purpose that I have told you, this comes from the food only. And what is inside this food? These are the nutrients. So balanced diet is the combination of these nutrients, all the requirement purpose of our body. Necessity, what is the necessity of our body? So to just take out the nutrients from the food and utilize for the growth of ourselves. This is the necessity of the food. And in balanced diet, there is the sufficient amount availability of these nutrients. Means balanced diet is a diet in which all the required component of the nutrients are available in a proper manner or in the sufficient amount. So we can define balanced diet. It is a diet in which all the required nutrients are available in the sufficient amount. This is what balanced diet is. Now the things are, what are the nutrients, and from where we will get this nutrient, from which food? So basically, I'll tell you about some nutrients. First, as I am writing the name of one nutrient, that is carbohydrate. How does it is necessary for us? Carbohydrates. It is a nutrient. Okay, carbohydrate gives us what? First thing, it gives us energy. Energy for what? energy to work. It gives us energy to work. So what is the purpose of carbohydrate? So we should include carbohydrate in our diet, so that if we want to perform any work, so we need energy, and this energy comes from this nutrient. Gives us energy to work. Okay. Next, carbohydrate is a food which remains in the form of sugar and starch. Sugar and starch. It is present in our food in the form of sugar and starch. You know very well, sugar means all the food in which it's sweets, it tastes sweets, there is a carbohydrate presence. Okay, sugar, in sugar में आपका क्या present है? Sugar में carbohydrate है which is in the taste of sweet. Starch, some of the example I am writing, like bread. In bread, rice, potatoes, cereals. These are the food products in which these components, these things are available, sugar and starch. And this sugar and starch is what? It contains carbohydrates in it. So in our food, carbohydrate are present in this form. Okay, and what is the purpose of taking carbohydrate? It gives us energy to do or perform a specific work. ठीक है. Carbohydrate, अच्छा, there is one more thing. Carbohydrates can be stored in our body in the form of fat. They are stored in our body, stored in the form of fat. They are conserved in our body in the form of fat. If you are taking too much of the carbohydrate, if you are taking too much of carbohydrate, that means there would be the storage of the fat in your body and you will become obese. There would be the problem of obesity. So if someone asks you what would be happen when you are taking so much of carbohydrate, more than the requirement of your body, then you will feel obesity, motapa, है ना? This comes. So we should take it in the required manner or proper manner, not more than this. ठीक है? Another nutrient I am taking, that is protein. Protein. Why do we need this? What protein does? Basically, it is the nutrient which is body building nutrient. Body building nutrients. What it does for our growth, for our muscles growth, our cells growth, tissues growth, we need the proteins. For it is a body building nutrients. It also do one thing. It repairs the worn out cells. It repairs the worn out cells of your body. जो खराब टूटी फूटी सेल्स होती हैं या फिर चोट लगती है, it repairs itself. No, the skin is been removed. This is only done by the proteins. Okay, so proteins are the body building food and they repairs the worn out cells. This is the work of this nutrient. Okay, next, so from where does it come from? By which food? So basically proteins are in milk products like ghee, makhan, है ना? There's dahi and all, curd and all, है ना? Milk products. And what? Richly found in soybean, meat, flesh, okay, and soybean and pulses also. Okay. So by these products you can consume proteins. Okay. One more thing. This cannot be stored in our body, so we should take daily. We should take this daily because it cannot be stored in our body. Okay. So I think that's it for today. In the next class we are going to talk about some more nutrients So watch the video, and in the next video we are going to discuss about some more nutrients. Thank you so much for joining the class, watching the video. Thank you.